Hi, this is Hitesh. To all data analysts, engineers, and enthusiasts out there, in this series of videos, I'm going to explain how to integrate data build tool with Databricks asset bundles. I'll be covering what the data build tool is, what Databricks asset bundles are, and how we integrate DBT with DAB. So let's start with DBT. DBT is an open source a software tool that enables data analysts and data engineers to transform data in their data warehouses more effectively. It is designed to handle the transform part of extract load transform processes. It was founded in 2016 and all thanks to the people at Fishtown Analytics for making the lives of engineers easier. We basically use SQL language to do the transformations in DBT. Before we talk about the data build tool, let's first understand why we use DBT. I'll give a brief explanation of difference between ELT and ETL. ETL is extract, transform, and then load it into your data warehouse. Let's say we have different data sources such as Salesforce, SAP, or any kind of ERP sources, and we are getting different kind of transaction data or customer data, and we are performing transformations in between before it goes to the data warehouse. So we use tools like Informatica or SQL Server or any other integration services to carry out these transformations, which makes it costly. The compute cost is high and the time consumption is also significant due to the constantly moving data back and forth. And then here comes extract, load, and then transform. In the cloud era, where we are extensively using services like Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and Azure, storage costs have become cheaper, and compute power is available on demand. We here in extract, load, and then transform, we use data loaders such as Fivetran, Stitch, etc., and then push all the raw data into our data warehouse and then apply logic on the data using tools like DBT. This is basically pushing the logic where the data lives. And using this DBT works on the data in the data warehouse itself and apply the transformations. And then the downstream team, BI or ML teams will be using it for their reporting or analytical purposes. We need not worry about the tools and technologies to integrate that we did in the old extract, transform, and the load processes. DBT orchestrates the order of transformations by managing dependencies between the SQL scripts we write, ensuring they are executed in the correct sequence. This dependency management automates the workflows, allowing complex data transformations to be performed more effectively and reliably. And let's say these three are the main three features of DBT, advantages of DBT, I would say. Um, Version control. Version control, DBT supports version control by allowing data transformation scripts to be written and stored as a code, making them compatible with version systems like Git. This integration enables teams to track changes, review code, revert to the previous versions if necessary. Additionally, DBT can be integrated with CI/CD pipelines, facilitating automated testing deployment of data models. This ensures the new and or updated data transformations are validated and seamlessly integrated into the production environments and enhancing collaboration and efficiency in data teams. Those who are not familiar with what CI/CD is, it's basically continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery, we'd say. Let's consider two teams um, working on a CM project. Let's say one team is a test team and one team is a developing team. Continuous integration is this involves developers frequently merging their code changes into a shared repository in the GitHub, often multiple times a day. Each merge triggers an automated build and test process in the development environment. This helps catch issues early and ensures that the code in the repository works well together, which is crucial as the team grows and complexity of the software increases. And mm, and when it comes to continuous deployment, after successful integration, the changes are automatically deployed into the test environment where further automated tests can be done. If these tests passes, the changes can be automatically deployed to production environment as well. Because the production environment. This automated process eliminates the need for manual intervention, speeds up the delivery of new features, minimizes the risk of human errors. And when we talk about tests and documentation, uh, DBT allows us to test the data so that it comes as you expect, the transformations comes as you expect, as well as document it. So the development part of the DBT is what I explained previously. Uh, Transforming the raw data on all those SQL scripts, everything comes under the development part of the DBT. You can see how DBT works. This is how you can see we can say that the DBT works. It is built on Snowflake or any other Databricks or any other kind of warehouses, and the data is used by our downstream team. The raw data is ingested, transformations are done, and it is used by the downstream team. I'll be giving a quick demo on how we install DBT in our system. So to install a DBT, we first need Python installed in our system. So we can open our terminal, and if Python is installed on our system, we can just install DBT by using pip command, pip install DBT, which basically installs the DBT as it is already installed in my system. Uh, this particular command installs DBT in our system. And if you want to create a project, I'm using Visual Studio Code here. In the terminal itself, you can use the command dbt init to create the project. And it basically asks the name of your project. Let me create the name. My first DBT practice. It creates a project, as you can see in the top left corner. Um, in the model section, you'll be writing your SQL commands here or here, SQL transformations that we want to do. I'll be explaining about all these in the later coming videos. And if you want to know about any case studies on where a DBT is used by different customers or clients or companies, you can go to DBT case studies. Here is one of the a company JetBlue, which used DBT to enhance their business. JetBlue eliminates data engineering bottlenecks with DBT. Go through this if you want to study about the case study where DBT is used and the company got success, organization got success. It's explained in a brief way. That's it. I'll be explaining in detail about DBT and the DAP in later coming videos. Thank you.